Hi guys, this is Nitya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics from St. Anne's Arts and Science College. Today we are going to see the multiple integrals. In that multiple integrals, we are seeing the double integrals. Today we are going to see the change of order in the double integrals. So we are going to change the order, then we can solve the problem. So how we can see? Let us see the first problem, changing the order of the integration. Evaluate double integral 0 to 4 root y to 2 e power y ix dx dy by changing the order of the integration. So we are going to change the order of the integration. So how can we change? First we have to draw the diagram. So how will you draw the diagram? See they have given the e power y by x. So just draw the graph, x axis, y axis. In that it should be a parabola, and then it has to be touched by one line, that is x is equal to 2. And here 0, 0 point, from that we are drawing one line. So y equal to 4, they have given the limit, as they have directly given the limit 0 to 4 and root y to 2. So 0 to x varies from 0 to 2. So here see x is equal to 2 comma 4. So here y equal to 4, that is if you are applying the value, so we can write, so first x is equal to 2, y equal to 4, then x is equal to root y, we know that, right? So if you are taking so for y equal to x squared will come, then y equal to 0. So x varies from 0 to 2 and y varies from 0 to x squared. So now we can apply the thing, that is 0 to 4 root y to 2 can be written as 0 to 2 and 0 to x squared e power y by x dy dx. See the diagram here, we have changed the order here, that is parabola 0, 0, then y equal to 4, y equal to 0, here y equal to x squared curve, and then in that x is equal to 2. So but here we have taken the given limit, x is equal to root y, but here y equal to x squared, that is if we are changing the order we are doing. So what will happen? So 2, 4, so y equal to x squared, then y equal to 4. See here, this is this in this question, the dx is there, no, dx is root y by 2. So x is equal to root y we have taken, then x is equal to 2. So for both the things we are finding the value of y. So x is equal, this can be written as y equal to x squared, this root 2 to be that side, then y equal to 0. So here is y is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. So we are changing the order as 0 to 2 and 0 to x squared. How? Because this one, see here. So 0 to 2, 0 to 2 is this one, 0 to 2, y equal to 0. And 2 is changed from, x varies from 0 to 2 and y varies from 0 to x squared. So from that we are changing the order and doing. So y power y by e power y by x into dy dx. So e power y by x, after integrating we are getting e power y by x by y by x, e power y by x, then 1 by x into 0 to x squared into dx. Then apply the limit, so e power x is e power y by x squared. So after applying the limit we are getting x into e power x minus x dx. Now we are integrating the x term, so 0 to 2. So what will happen? Separately, just do separately first, and uv minus integration of v du, just write it over here, and we will get the answers to 2 power e squared minus e power x whole power 0 to 2 minus y by 2. So apply the limits and then you can get the answer as e squared minus 1, that will be your answer. So simply we are changing the order, so it's x in y and y in x, that's only we are doing. Move on to the next problem, integral of 0 to a, 0 to root of a squared x squared. So root of a squared minus x squared into dy dx by the changing of the order of integration. See here the lower limits are 0, right, both are same here, only the first quadrant. So it will be occur in the first quadrant, see here. So it will be the y equal to 0 and y squared plus y squared is a curve, it can be comes under the line. So x is equal to a and y equal to a squared minus x squared, that we will see how it's happened. So first this is the y limit is 0 to root of a squared minus y squared. So y equal to 0 one thing and y equal to root of a squared minus. Now if we are taking the root to be this side, so y squared equal to a squared minus x, and this can be written as x squared plus y squared equal to a squared. And this one x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. Now x varies from 0 to root of a squared minus y squared, and y varies from 0 to a, because we have taken as x varies from 0 to root of see here x is equal to 0 to a, it is a given thing, but here we have changed as x varies from 0 to root of a squared minus y squared. So in the thing root of a squared minus x squared, for that we are changing as a squared minus y squared. Then y varies from 0 to a, y varies, y there is no changes in that, so you can keep as itself. So the next diagram, see the next diagram in that. So after changing the integration, after changing of the order 0 comma 0, y equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So here it can be lied on the curve x squared plus y squared equal to a squared. Here we have taken as y equal to root of a squared minus x squared. Here x squared plus y squared equal to a squared. So x is equal to a, and this is, see the line a comma a. Now we can apply the limit as 0 to a and 0 to root of a squared minus x squared after changing the order. So what will happen into this term, you just write. Then as usual, so first we should write the a squared root of a squared minus y squared root of minus x squared into dy dx. Now this can be written as root of a squared minus x squared dx can be written as x by 2 into root of a squared minus x squared plus a squared by 2 into sine inverse of x by a into root of a squared minus x squared. So just apply there. So x by 2 into root of a squared minus y squared into x squared plus a squared minus y squared by 2 into sine inverse of x by a is root of a squared minus x squared. Now can 0 to dy, 0 to that limit, this limit 0 to root of a squared minus x squared, just apply that. So after applying the limit you will get an answer. After that integrating you will get the answer as pi power a power 3 by pi into a power 3 by 6 after solving the whole thing. So that is implementing the limit as 0 to a. Next question. By changing the order of integration, show that double integral 0 to y, 0 to infinity y into e power minus y squared by x dx dy equal to 1 by 2. See here, we are writing the graph as we are drawing the graph as x axis, y axis here 0 to 0, and then it has the line that y into e power minus y by 2 into dx dy. They have given the answer as 1 by 2. So y equal to 0, this line is y equal to 0, this is x is equal to 0. Now if we are touching that value, this is x is equal to y. Now x is equal to y, it is infinity, because they have given the changing the order, show infinity they have given 0 to y. Another one is dx is 0 to y and dy limit is 0 to infinity. See, that's what we have given as infinity. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to y, and y equal to 0, y equal to infinity. This is also comes under the first order, first quadrant. Now so the diagram will be changes like this: 0, y equal to x, and y equal to 0, so x equal to y infinity. X varies from 0 to infinity, y varies from x to infinity. So substitute here and then solve it. So this is y into e power minus y squared by x into dy dx. So this is d of e power minus y by 2 y squared by x. So e power minus y by 2 y squared by x into minus 2yx into dy. So d into e power minus y squared by x minus 2yx e power minus y squared by x into 2y. Differentiation. So this can be written as y into e power minus y squared by x into dy. Take this equation. Now substitute the LHS of equation 2 in equation 1. This is the equation 1. So you just substitute over there. So you will get this. Then after solving, you will get this x into x 0 minus e power minus x dx, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 0 to 2 x into e power minus x dx. We have to prove that the answer should be 1 by 2. So let us take this term as u dv. So u dv method, so u equal to x and dv equal to e power minus x dx. So v equal to minus e power x minus x. Then du equal to dx. Then apply uv minus integration of uv du. So you just apply and get the answer as 1 by 2. Now changing the order of integration, show that here also they have given the value 1. So this problem can be written as this one dy dx. So we are changing the order as y equal to x, y equal to infinity, and x equal to 0, x equal to, see the diagram. So x is equal to x to infinity, 0 to infinity. Now changing the order, so x varies from 0 to y and y varies from 0 to infinity. See here. So e power minus y dy. So 0 to infinity, 0 to, sorry, x to infinity, 0 to infinity. So what will happen? 0 to y into 0 to infinity, this value. So just substitute here. Please, so this given problem can be rewritten as, that is changing of order we are writing. So this value should be changed, that is this integration, that is dy is integration, that is this one. So 0 to y, so it can be dx dy, it can be changed as, then you can apply the limits and you can get the right answer after integration. Next, change the order of integration and evaluation the integral, this one. So this is the integral can be written as, then the order of changing, that is x and y, y into x. So after changing y equal to, first just get the given limits first and then draw the diagram, and then change of the thing in the diagram, just make a note of it, and x varies from 0 to y and y varies from 0 to 1. So just substitute all the values and get the answer. Next, change of order and hence evaluate, this also the same thing which I have given for practice. So just go through it and practice it. Next question also, it is also a minus root of a square minus b square, a plus root of a square minus b square into 0 to e. So see, I have given the thing y equal to 0, y equal to a, how it changes here, and then diagrams also I have written. Just go through it. Even if you have a doubt, so just WhatsApp me. So answer is pi a squared by 2. So here we have seen 7 problems. You just do practice this 7 problem. This is enough. If they are asking any other questions, you can directly answer that. So just do practice it. Thank you, girls.